Hello everyone, welcome to Ridhima Creations. Wishing all the wonderful moms out there a very happy Mother's Day. Today we will see how to make this cute yet easy card in just 15 minutes. Do check out our website www.ridhimacreationsartandcraft.com for details on art and craft classes we conduct in Bangalore. So let's start. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a new video. These are the materials needed. You can purchase them easily through the links in the description box. You will need handmade papers of a variety of colors, assorted accessories such as flowers, sketch pens and black markers, decorative masking tape, craft glue, pencil and eraser, and a pair of scissors. Fold an A4 sized white colored handmade paper in half. Draw abstract figures of a mother and child holding hands with pencil. With scissors, cut out the drawn figures. Draw a heart with pink handmade paper big enough to cover the cutout space. Fold the heart in half and stick it only along the center vertical crease. Stick the heart on the inside of the card below the cutout. With a thick-tipped black marker, Outline the figures on the front side and back side too. Cut a pink textured handmade paper into a triangular shape for the top right corner of the card. Stick the cut paper along the top right corner. Also stick the assorted flowers on 4 corners. With satin ribbons or decorative masking tape, form an L-shaped border along the left side. Cut small leaves from green handmade paper. Stick the leaves around the flowers. Cut a small pink heart-shaped balloon. Stick the heart-shaped balloon and draw a string for it with the marker. Highlight the wavy border with black marker and a green sketch pen. Write the wordings of your choice on the front of the card, such as Dear Mom, with the remaining message on the inside of the card. Write the wordings of your choice on the inside of the card. I chose to write the cute message, I love you with every little piece of my heart, with the big heart cutout next to it. Do an initial draft with a pencil to get the spacing of the words right. Then use black marker pens and sketch pens to highlight the text. Finally, outline the heart with a black marker. Crease the heart further to give a 3D effect. Don't forget to erase any leftover pencil marks. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and visit www.ridhimacreationsartandcraft.com. Thank you.